What's up guys? Welcome back. Today we will learn how to make black background of a toy photo. This kind of editing actually done by Photoshop or other photo editing software on PC, but nowadays it can be easier. We will do this amazing thing on our mobile phone. It is possible with your mobile phone also. It's easy, simple, but powerful. We will do this with the app called Snapseed, the best photo editing tools on Android and iOS. After installing Snapseed on your phone, you just have to follow the lesson. By these powerful editing tips, we will make this unedited photo to this masterpiece with black background. If you want to do this, then watch the full video without skipping any part of it. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel. That's all for today. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you could get our upcoming tutorial videos. Take care, have a nice journey with the tutorial lab. Thank you.